ZCash has done this so many times. This is the fourth or fifth time ZCash is coming to this region where we are right now. So do you think ZCash is less worth than it was in 2017 at this region, or in 2019 at this region, or even in 2021, January 2021 at this region, just before we went on that wonderful bull run? ZCash was exactly where we are right now, around the $62 region. You can see that only times in history where ZCash has gone below the $62 has been good buying opportunities. Will this time be different? Should you be getting more ZCash? Should you hold your ZCash? Or should you even actually sell your ZCash because you'll be expecting the prices to go lower?
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video, we're taking a look at ZCash currently trading for $63. In this video, we're looking at ZCash US dollar price chart. Should we be holding our ZCash? Should we be buying more ZCash in the bear market? Or should we even sell our stash? Because we expect lower price for ZCash so that we can buy more below. We'll be looking at how ZCash is performing against Bitcoin. We're looking at ZCash against Ethereum. And then we'll look at this important chart of ZCash market cap chart. Should we be holding our ZCash through the bear market? Should we buy more? Or should we sell our stash? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, one ZCash is going for $63. It's ranked number 49 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 year, ZCash has gone as low as $53 and as high as $303. ZCash has a market capitalization of less than $1 billion. In the last 1 year, ZCash is down 36%. ZCash is down 40% in the last 1 month. In the last 1 week, it's down 5%. But guys, that's not peculiar to ZCash. We know the crypto market has been on a downward slide. All coins are taking a hard beating. You can see in the last 1 month, a lot of these altcoins are down 40, 50, 60%. ZCash down 36%, actually among the best gainers in the market. Look at Bitcoin down 32%, BNB down 3%. So if you're holding ZCash and you feel like you're down, guys, it's the whole of the crypto market. And ZCash is currently trading for $62. The highest ZCash got in 2021 was $368. And since then, ZCash is down over 85% from the highest set in 2021. So how has ZCash performed in the previous bear market? Guys, ZCash is not dead. ZCash will actually rise again. The altcoin market is down. Crypto is down, and the same coin you're holding at the top of the market is the same coin that you have right now. The only difference is your feeling towards the coin or feeling towards the token and your optimism towards the future of the token. And this ZCash chart from 2017 to 2022, so we'll have 5 years worth of price history for ZCash. But in those 5 years, it looks as if ZCash has barely moved an inch. And when ZCash was launched, it had a wonderful dump, huge dump, just like the way every other token in the crypto space have. The first holders will always dump it thinking they got free money. And ZCash jumped more than 99% when it was launched. And after that, bull run happened in 2017. What did ZCash do? ZCash actually pumped. ZCash pumped over 3,400%. Now, ZCash has not had one of those mad pumps where to go thousands and thousands of percentage points. ZCash has always been that level-headed crypto in the market. Before we continue looking at ZCash price chart, let's see some news about ZCash, guys. Mad upgrades coming to the ZCash network, and that's why I believe ZCash is not going to die anytime soon. So what's ZCash? ZCash is a decentralized cryptocurrency focused on privacy and anonymity. It uses the zk-SNARK zero-knowledge proof technology that allow nodes on the network to verify transactions without revealing any sensitive information about those transactions. What makes ZCash unique, guys? ZCash's main advantage lies in its optimal anonymity, which allows for level of privacy unattainable with regular pseudonymous currency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. And because people like privacy, because a lot of people don't want their government tracking their source of income, how they spend their money and all that, ZCash is actually going to be used in the future. They're making some mad upgrades to the system. Right now, the price is down, just like the total crypto market. And if you want to get some ZCash before continue looking at the price chart, you can get ZCash on your favorite exchanges. You can get it on Binance, Codebase, Qcoin, Bitfinex, Kraken. Anyway, you get your favorite altcoins, you can see that over 185,000 people have ZCash on their watch list. So ZCash is not dying anytime, so let's continue looking at the ZCash price chart. This ZCash against the US dollar. And over time, ZCash has had its bust and boom cycles against the US dollar. And when it topped in 2018, it got to as high as $958. After that, ZCash actually dumped 97%, which is crazy. ZCash came to as low as $20. Mad. And when Bitcoin bottomed in December 2017, Zcash was just down 95% from its all-time high. It still had one more dump, but before that dump, it got people bullish and it pumped over 143%. That's why you need to be careful in the bear market. All coins are very, very risky in the bear market. They are going to pump again, without a shadow of a doubt. If you're holding a strong project like ZCash, a strong project that has a real life use case, ZCash will pump again, but we need the conditions to be favorable for ZCash to pump. We need to see Bitcoin actually being healthy. Bitcoin is the number one factor in the market. If Bitcoin is not healthy, and no any coin will be healthy. Yes, we'll have some exceptions here and there, some coins that are pumping the bear market, but by and large, most of these coins will lose value against Bitcoin in the bear market. After the COVID sell-off, I'm sure a lot of people thought Zcash was dead. Zcash will probably not rise again. What happened to Zcash, guys? From as low as $26, $25, Zcash went up to set a new high in 2021. It went to as high as $368, but it couldn't break its all-time high. Its all-time high was still more than 300% away. Zcash all-time high was around $958, but in 2021, at the top of the bull run when Zcash topped in May, Zcash only got to as high as $355. Right now, guys, what's really important is that Zcash is not dead. Zcash from that all-time high is down, but you can see that Zcash has done this so many times. This is the fourth or fifth time Zcash is coming to this region where we are right now. So do you think Zcash is less worth than it was in 2017 at this region, or in 2019 at this region, or even in 2021, January 2021 at this region, just before we went on that wonderful bull run? Zcash was exactly where we are right now, around the $62 region. You can see that only times in history where Zcash has gone below the $62 has been good buying opportunities. Will this time be different? Should you be getting more Zcash? Should you hold your Zcash? Or should you even actually sell your Zcash because you'll be expecting the prices to go lower? Guys, that's a very, very risky option. You don't know when the market will turn. And remember, the guys that held Bitcoin from the bottom of the market, the guys that held Bitcoin when Bitcoin was $62, when Bitcoin was $100, all those guys went through a lot of volatility. You can see, guys, here that when Bitcoin was $257, even when Bitcoin got to $1,000, it still came back to around $150. So in the crypto space, there's a lot of volatility on your ride to the top. If you believe Zcash will get to $1,000, $2,000 like I do, guys, holding is just very, very easy. All you have is time. As far as you're not over investing more than what you can afford to lose, remember, guys, investing is a long-term game. If you're a trader, yes, you can get in and get out, but if you're an investor and you believe in the long-term vision of Zcash, in the end, Zcash will be among the projects that will survive. There's a lot of noise in the crypto space, a lot of hogwash projects that are just there to get money. Zcash is not one of them. When Zcash pump, you'll be happy you held it. Now, let's see how Zcash is performing against Bitcoin. You can see from 2021, Zcash has just been in this pump and dump against Bitcoin. I've gone a larger time frame. You see that Zcash is still way down against Bitcoin. Let me put this on the weekly time frame so we can get a perspective of what Zcash has been against Bitcoin since 2017. And since 2017, Zcash has actually been steadily dumping against Bitcoin. And the only significant pump he had against Bitcoin was that alt season in 2017, where it outperformed Bitcoin by over 643%. Zcash actually started dumping since then. Zcash has been dumping since July 2017. Zcash has not been able to set a new high on his Bitcoin pairing, and it got to its lows in January 2021. This was when Zcash actually started going on that bull run, when it went to $321 on the dollar pairing. But we couldn't see Zcash set a new high on the Bitcoin pairing, and I believe sometime in the future, Zcash is going to pump massively against Bitcoin. When will that time happen? I don't know yet. Guys, Zcash is just like Bitcoin. The difference between Zcash and Bitcoin is that Zcash has a lot of privacy, and a lot of people like that. Zcash is one of the top privacy coins in the market. Zcash and Monero, and you can see that Zcash has only 21 million coins. The maximum supply that can come in circulation is 21 million, and we only have 40 million of those coins in circulation. Guys, ask yourself this question: what will happen when the rest of the world catch up to the fact that Zcash is just like Bitcoin, but with way more privacy? I think the prices will go a lot higher than it, and right now the market cap is at $937 billion, which I feel is undervalued. But guys, the bear market is where you make riches. The bear market is where you get all these projects for cheap. Right now, Zcash against Bitcoin is at the lows. For Zcash to get to its all-time high against Bitcoin, Zcash will have to pump over 5,500% against Bitcoin. Is it possible? Hell yeah, guys, it's possible. I've seen a lot of altcoins do this crazy move. You don't know the narrative that will come into play. It might be, and governments start intruding, regulations have come to crypto, something. There's always a narrative to come into play. I thought the narrative that will come into play was the upgrades that were happening to ZCash, but it just happened that as those upgrades were happening, the market started tanking. So right now, ZCash is actually tanking. It's not performing well against Bitcoin, but you can see that it's not getting outperformed by Bitcoin. So it's not like it's dumping against Bitcoin. Where ZCash is against Bitcoin, it's exactly where we were in January 2021. Just like the price on the US dollar price chart, where ZCash is right now is where we were in 2021. So if you saw ZCash pumping to $368, $370, and you're like, oh my god, I wish I knew when ZCash was $50, when ZCash was around $60, I would have gotten more ZCash. Now is your chance to get more ZCash. But guys, another important factor, we want to see this $62 region hold. We want to see Bitcoin's bottom coming very quickly. If not, we might see ZCash getting to the next support point for ZCash should be around that $34. And if $34 doesn't hold, we might finally go to Goblin Town on ZCash. We might see ZCash below $25. And guys, if ZCash get to any of these price points, I'll be loading a lot on ZCash because I think those prices will be cheap and compared to the market. But guys, you can't say all these altcoins are cheap. You have to wait for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is still not found its bottom, and a lot of these altcoins can go very low. Right now, Bitcoin is just hanging above 20k. We're waiting for Bitcoin to make that big decision to tell us the direction of the market, because if Bitcoin stays stuck under 20k for a long time, a lot of these altcoins will get stuck in their ways. ZCash against Ethereum has not been performing really well. ZCash has not been performing well against Ethereum. At the same time, it has not been outperformed by Ethereum. ZCash is currently where it was on the 8th of January 2021. So if you didn't have a chance to buy ZCash in January, now is your chance. And since then, against Ethereum, ZCash actually had a nice pump entering May, where it topped on the US dollar pairing. It pumped 113% against Ethereum. But after that, it has been dumping real bad against Ethereum. Even with the pump we had in November, where ZCash got to like as high as $200 and something, ZCash has been losing value against Ethereum. From May 2021, ZCash has lost over 73% of its value against Ethereum. But right now, it looks as if it's bottoming out. If you put the ZCash Ethereum chart on a 1 week time frame, you can see that from inception, ZCash has actually been losing a mad value against Ethereum. From 2016, ZCash has lost over 99% of its value against Ethereum. And from the bottom of the market, ZCash is down over 99.61% against Ethereum. Will ZCash ever pump to the moon? Are we going to see new all-time highs for ZCash? Will ZCash ever go trading for one ZCash for one Ethereum? Guys, there was a point in time in the past where ZCash was going for 1-to-1 against Ethereum. Just as late as September 2017, you could get one ZCash for one Ethereum. When will ZCash be trading for one Ethereum? Only time we tell for ZCash to get to that level, we have to see ZCash pump from where it is right now to around. ZCash has to have a 1,700, 1,800% pump to get to trading at par with Ethereum. So for you to exchange one ZCash for one Ethereum, you have to see ZCash pump over 18x against Ethereum. Is that possible? Hell yeah, guys, very possible. Guys, this is ZCash market cap chart on a weekly time frame. ZCash market cap has been increasing since when it was launched. It topped right here in December 2017, and then it bottomed during the COVID sell-off. ZCash market cap bottomed around $200 million. Right now, we're still 4x from the bottom. ZCash market cap's around $920 million. And guys, in the top of the market 2021, ZCash actually set a new all-time high on its market cap chart. ZCash pumped over 2,000% from the bottom, and from that $200 million region, ZCash got to as high as $4.3 billion. Right now, ZCash is trading for less than $1 billion, and you can see that the market cap valuations for ZCash at the crucial support were exactly where we were in January 2021 and July 2020, and even July 2019 when ZCash topped in that bear market rally. And this is a very crucial level for ZCash. We don't want to see ZCash lose this level. If ZCash loses this level, we might see ZCash market valuation drop to as low as $600, maybe $500 million. Only time will tell right now. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you going to be holding your ZCash through the bear market? Will you actually be selling your ZCash, or will you be buying more to your stash because you believe ZCash is going to go to the moon in the future? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2.